The purpose of food hygiene is to A. Improve food appearance. B. Reduce food preparation time. C. Ensure safety from farm to table. D. Enhance taste. Answer: C. Food hygiene involves measures to guarantee food safety from production to final consumption. A primary reason for training food handlers is A. To improve cooking skills. B. To ensure safe food handling practices. C. To increase food sales. D. To promote dietary trends. Answer: B. Training food handlers is mandatory to prevent foodborne diseases and ensure food safety. Salmonella is commonly found in A. Pasteurized milk. B. Raw poultry. C. Frozen vegetables. D. Cooked grains. Answer: B. Salmonella often contaminates raw poultry, beef, and eggs. Physical contaminants include A. Pesticides. B. Personal effects like earrings. C. Bacteria. D. Airborne viruses. Answer: B. Physical contaminants are objects like jewelry or shells that can harm consumers. The most common source of food contamination is A. Pests. B. Cross-contamination. C. Food handlers. D. Contaminated packaging. Answer: C. Food handlers play a critical role in preventing contamination through proper hygiene. Refrigeration is effective because it A. Kills all microorganisms. B. Slows microorganism multiplication. C. Changes the food's pH. D. Eliminates moisture. Answer: B. Refrigeration at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius slows the growth of microorganisms, maintaining food safety. Freezing food at -18 degrees Celsius. A. Eliminates all bacteria. B. Stops bacteria from multiplying. C. Increases the shelf life indefinitely. D. Changes food texture significantly. Answer: B. Freezing keeps microorganisms dormant but does not kill them. Symptoms of foodborne bacterial infections include A. Gastrointestinal discomfort like diarrhea and vomiting. B. Loss of appetite and fatigue. C. Skin rashes and hives. D. Respiratory issues. Answer: A. Foodborne diseases often manifest as gastrointestinal symptoms. Hand washing is required. A. After handling raw food. B. Before taking a break. C. Only at the start of the workday. D. After using hand sanitizer. Answer: A. Proper hand washing after handling raw food prevents cross-contamination. Work clothing must A. Be light-colored and clean. B. Match the company's theme. C. Be worn outside the workplace. D. Include personal jewelry. Answer: A. Work attire should be clean, light-colored, and exclusive to the food handling environment. Proper disposal of waste includes A. Keeping bins uncovered for easy access. B. Cleaning bins daily. C. Storing garbage indoors. D. Allowing liquid waste to mix. Answer: B. Daily cleaning of bins minimizes risks of contamination and pest attraction. Cooking food at 75 degrees Celsius for at least 2 minutes. A. Enhances the flavor significantly. B. Ensures bacteria are destroyed. C. Preserves nutrients fully. D. Maintains food's natural texture. Answer: B. Cooking at 75 degrees Celsius kills most bacteria, ensuring food safety. Freezing food ensures that microorganisms A. Die instantly. B. Adapt to cold temperatures. C. Multiply more slowly. D. Stop multiplying. Answer D. Freezing halts the multiplication of microorganisms, keeping food safe. Acrylamide forms in food during A. Steaming at high temperatures. B. Refrigeration at low temperatures. C. Freezing for extended periods. D. Cooking above 120 degrees Celsius. Answer D. Acrylamide forms due to the Maillard reaction when foods high in starch are cooked above 120 degrees Celsius. A common indicator of high acrylamide levels is A. A burnt or golden hue. B. Increased food softness. C. Reduced food moisture. D. Strong sour smell. Answer A. Foods with a golden or burnt appearance are more likely to contain acrylamide. Cross-contamination occurs when A. Packaged food is mishandled. B. Raw and cooked foods come into contact. C. Food is stored at high temperatures. D. Ingredients are improperly mixed. Answer B. Cross-contamination commonly occurs when raw food touches cooked food or utensils. Biological contaminants include A. Pesticides. B. Broken glass. C. Rodents and insects. D. Cleaning chemicals. Answer C. Biological contamination arises from living organisms such as insects, rodents, or bacteria. A critical limit in the HACCP system ensures A. Minimum nutrient loss. B. Taste quality is preserved. C. Food safety thresholds are not exceeded. D. Production efficiency. Answer C. Critical limits define the maximum or minimum levels to control food safety hazards. Monitoring systems in HACCP involve A. Tracking consumer feedback. B. Observing and recording critical points. C. Inspecting all food deliveries daily. D. Labeling all storage containers. Answer B. Monitoring systems ensure that critical control points are within acceptable limits. Norovirus spreads through A. Poor refrigeration techniques. B. Overcooking of food. C. Improper boiling methods. D. Contaminated water and food. Answer D. Norovirus is highly contagious and spreads through contaminated food and water. Parasites in food often originate from A. Processed goods. B. Undercooked meat or contaminated water. C. Packaged snacks. D. Fermented vegetables. Answer B. Parasites thrive in undercooked or contaminated food and water. Hair should be covered during food handling to A. Maintain the handler's appearance. B. Prevent hair from contaminating food. C. Keep food warm. D. Improve the taste of food. Answer B. Covering hair prevents contamination and ensures hygiene. Disposable gloves must be A. Changed frequently to avoid contamination. B. Worn only when handling raw food. C. Sterilized after use. D. Used as a substitute for hand washing. Answer A. Disposable gloves should be replaced regularly to prevent contamination. Food labels must include A. Consumer reviews. B. Net quantity and allergens. C. Preparation instructions only. D. Storage history. Answer B. Labels must clearly indicate allergens, net quantity, and other critical information. Traceability of food refers to A. Tracking its journey from origin to sale. B. Recording consumer satisfaction. C. Identifying recipes used. D. Reporting shelf life extensions. Answer A. Traceability ensures food can be tracked from origin to the final consumer for safety,